MashaAllah, Elhamdulillah, our body is really a very complex machinery, and every system is created with the superior and endless intelligence of Allah, and everything is functioning with great perfection and in great order. And scientists compared our body with some machinery, and those mechanisms are actually produced with years of knowledge and effort, and none of them, when compared with the human body, are as strong as the human body, as reliable and steadfast as the human body. For instance, when we look at our brain, brain is able to carry out the efforts of 4.5 million transistors on its own, actually. If brain is compared with a computer, we know that human brain, the brains that we have actually, is much more superior than the computers, because we have 100 billions of neurons, and also we have blood circulation that is carried out by means of the pumping mechanism of the heart, and it has an amazing functioning because it is able to pump to 70 to 200 times in every minute, and we know that a 60-kilogram person is able to pump 6.5 liters of blood during rest time, and throughout one's life we know that a heart is able to pump blood that is able to fill 500 pool-sized content of blood, and this is really an amazing amount. And we know that we have the retina. Retina is established with different cells, and Allah created this retina with special cells in order to focus in an automatic way and also make some important balance arrangements. However, we know that while using a photography machine, while using a camera, we need to make measures with our own hands, or we need to make automatic arrangements in order to find a clear image. However, when we are using our eyes, there is no need for such arrangements. There is no time that is spent for waiting that such focus will be attained, and definitely technology has never attained this perfection in the eye. And also when we look at our ears, if we were to compare our ears with an ultrasound system, it is definitely not comparable, because we know that in our ears there are special, very sensitive cells that is able to hear the sound between 20 to 20,000 hertz. That is a great blessing for every person, because that is able to make persons hear only the sounds that they need to hear. If it were a little bit more, then we would be hearing the feet of the ants while they're walking on the ground, or we would also hear some high-frequency sounds that would really be disturbing for people. However, Allah created such a way in the ear system that we are hearing with the most beneficial sound frequencies.